In this video, I will show you how to fix opening link issue on Meta AI app. So if you're facing such error, the first thing that you can do is simply click and hold on to the Meta AI icon. Then click on App Info. From here, click on Force Stop, then confirm it. Then go to Storage Uses. Here you will see Clear Cache. Click on it. Then your app's cache will be cleared. After that, simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Meta AI. After that, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app to the latest version. And the next thing that you need to ensure is that any VPN or proxy is not turned on. If it is, then simply make sure to turn it off. And even after all of these, if it's still not working, then that might be Meta AI's internal server error. Simply wait for few hours and try again. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.